Hello, everyone! Today, we're diving into essential tips to boost your personal finances and set you on the path to financing our success. Let's jump right in. Tip number 1. Budgeting 101. Creating a spending plan. Now, the first thing you need is a solid budget. Tracking your spending is key here. Create a detailed record of your monthly income and expenses. By doing this, you'll quickly spot areas where you might be overspending and where you can save. Next, categorize your expenses. Divide them into essentials like housing, food and transportation, and non-essentials like entertainment. This will help you see where your money goes and find ways to cut back. Set clear financial goals. This gives you something to aim for and keeps you motivated. And finally, stick to that budget. Consistency is crucial. With time, you'll see how effective budgeting can be in reaching your financial goals. Tip number 2, debt management strategies for reducing debt. Moving on to debt management. For many of us, debt can feel like a huge weight. There are a few strategies here to help you tackle it effectively. First, there's the snowball method. This is where you pay off the debts with the smallest balances first. It helps build momentum and motivation as you knock out those smaller debts one by one. Another option is the avalanche method. In this approach, you focus on paying off the debts with the highest interest rates first. By minimizing those interest charges, you save money in the long run. You can also look into debt consolidation. By combining multiple debts into a single loan, ideally with a lower interest rate, you simplify your repayment process. It can be a big relief to manage just one payment instead of several. Tip number 3, building an emergency fund, preparing for the unexpected. Next up, let's talk about building an emergency fund. This fund is your safety net, covering you during unexpected situations. Start by setting a savings goal. Aim to have 3 to 6 months worth of essential expenses saved up. This ensures you have a cushion if something unexpected happens. Choose a high-yield savings account for your emergency fund. It's a safe place to keep your money while also earning a bit of interest. Make it a habit to contribute regularly. Set aside a portion of your income each month. And remember, avoid touching this fund unless it's a real emergency, like medical expenses or a car repair. This way, you're always prepared for the unexpected. Tip number 4, investing basics, diversifying your portfolio. Alright, now let's get into investing. The key here is to diversify. Start by researching and planning your investments. Understand the different options available to you and how they fit into your financial goals. Spread your investments across various asset classes: stocks, bonds, real estate. This approach helps reduce risk, as you're not putting all your eggs in one basket. Investing is all about the long game. Don't expect immediate returns. Be prepared for market fluctuations, and remember that growth takes time. Finally, regularly review your portfolio. As your financial goals and market conditions change, you might need to adjust your investments to stay on track. Tip number 5, retirement planning. Securing your financial future. Now, let's talk retirement planning. Start by contributing to retirement accounts like a 401k or an IRA. These accounts offer tax benefits and help you save for the long term. Maximize your contributions and take advantage of any employer matching programs. This free money can significantly boost your retirement savings. Diversify your investments within your retirement account. 2. This helps manage risk, ensuring a balanced approach as you work toward your retirement goals. Use tools like retirement calculators or consult a financial advisor. They can give you a better estimate of what you need to retire comfortably. Tip number 6, credit score improvement, boosting your credit health. Your credit score is an important aspect of your financial health. Paying bills on time is the simplest way to boost your score and avoid late fees. Keep your credit utilization low. Aim to use less than 30% of your available credit. This shows lenders that you're responsible with your credit. Maintaining a long credit history also helps improve your score. And lastly, monitor your credit reports regularly. Checking for errors ensures accuracy and protects you from identity theft. Tip number 7, tax optimization. Maximizing your deductions and credits. When it comes to taxes, a little planning goes a long way. Gather your tax documents early to make filing a breeze. Identify deductions you're eligible for. These can reduce your taxable income, helping you save. Look into tax credits too. They directly reduce the amount of tax you owe. And if you're unsure about your tax situation, consider consulting a professional. An expert can help you maximize your savings and ensure compliance. Tip number 8, financial goal setting. Achieving your savings targets. Finally, set specific financial goals. Make them smart, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This makes it easier to track your progress and see how far you've come. Check in on your savings regularly, making adjustments as needed. And don't forget to celebrate your milestones. Recognizing your progress keeps you motivated to achieve even more. That's it for today's top financial tips. Follow these strategies, and you'll be well on your way to achieving financial stability and success. Please like, share, and subscribe for more financial tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.